I mean, look around me. Isn't it amazing? I feel like I'm in Pandora in Avatar. Something. Something like this. Really. Look how small am I besides this plant. It's really amazing. And here's Roy.
Hello.
He's showing the hike, the path. He knows everything here, every plant, every bird. Right?
Mostly yes.
So we are in good hands.
You will not get lost with me, don't worry.
All right.
You can take a small...
Okay. Thank you.
Lunela, enjoy.
It's a little bit tricky here.
All right. He told me there's some few trees on the road, but can be fast.
We're gonna manage.
Vor 3 Jahren fertig geworden. Die hat sie nicht, aber ist egal. Guck mal, ja.
Sure. So there are a lot of fallen trees because of the big storm we had, but it's okay. Such a nice path here in the mountains. Mare Aux Cochons. I'm reaching the main plateau of the mountain, and you see the wood is behind me. Such a nice feeling after 1 hour, 1.5 hour walk to the jungle. Pretty cool. I love it. And after you walk so long, maybe you need to take a break. We have a drink to make a picnic, and that's the right place for it. Right here on this plateau. So this is the river we cross.
This is a small river. Yeah.
This is the small river. All right, welcome to the jungle. Look mal at these trees. Whoa. So this is an UN nature site. This is crazy. Look at the plants. I don't know. Maybe I'm on Pandora. Really. And I didn't know. You know Pandora from Avatar? You have Pandora here. Now you need to make this trail if you want to have the feeling that you are in the jungle, like in a deep jungle. You got to make this trail here. In the jungle. Here. Mare Aux Cochons. Mare Aux Cochons trail. This is the destination, fourth floor. So the hiking is over. The Mare Cochon, the Mare Aux Cochons hike is over. I just made it down. And because today is my birthday, I got to do something fun. Let's see what can I do for fun. So here we go. We are at the TakaMaka distillery and we're gonna test some local brew.
First thing to the history of the old property, it's an old heritage site. Now,
Les grands maisons. Should I? Thank
very
you.
sour, similar to lemon. It's really refreshing.
Die Speise mal rein.
Nice. Interesting. No, I never tried.
This is the basin where water used to come into the property, that long piece of bamboo. Still, these are made of copper. And the Arabs were the one who...
Yes.
It will now have water also evaporating. There, the arsef. Because you've got water and alcohol evaporating. But that's 80. That's about for you. Our general manager can speak German, so you do the test. You don't have to translate.
Okay, then I can drink a little bit.
Now just leave the glass. We're going to put in there for you as you go along. You're going to say what you want to try and then...
You should definitely plan a stop here on this wonderful beach if you are staying on Mare. It's not far from the road, so you can park easily here. And if you're gonna stay at Chez Batista Villa, you should pick one of the superior rooms or higher to have a sea view. It's a wonderful place. You can walk in the sand barefoot to the evening at 6 o'clock at the dinner, the restaurant, and enjoy the sunset while standing with your barefoot in the sand.
Snorkeling is very nice here, but it's not gonna be possible every day because of the rough sea sometimes. Well, that's it for today. I hope to see you in the next video, so if you'd like to join me in the next journey, please subscribe, leave a like or a dislike, whatever. They are both appreciated, even if not equally. What's he doing? Keep walking. Don't watch me. I'm not filming. Yeah, we had a lot of fun with Roy while shooting this scene. The light was so nice and the plants are magnificent. It was so wide. We were in the forest for a while and then this opening here was fantastic. It was a interesting hike. I have to admit I didn't film too much on the way down. I was pretty stressed. It was way difficult to go down than to come up on the mountain. But we made it. Everybody's safe. We had fun. So, I leave. See you on the next one. Tschüss.